If you love traveling, especially road trips, then today's video is just for you. Hello, I'm Reshmi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Mindscope with Reshmi. Some of you might already know me while others may be visiting my channel for first time. I recently changed my channel's name so it might have caused a little confusion, but don't worry. Now without any further delay, let's get back to today's video and start our journey. Today's destination is one of the most beautiful weekend getaways near Hyderabad, Anandgiri Hills. Instead of taking a regular highway, we are choosing a scenic road via Kotapalli Reservoir to make a journey just as memorable as the destination. If you are someone who enjoys long drives, monsoon landscape, forest roads, and peaceful surrounding, this route is definitely worth trying. We couldn't start our journey very early. We finally hit the road around 11 am. Normally, it's better to leave earlier to avoid traffic. But we are lucky there was hardly any traffic that day, so our drive was smooth right from the beginning. As we slowly leave Hyderabad behind, you will notice the concrete buildings giving way to open farmland and small villages. The atmosphere changes completely. The air feels fresher, there's less traffic, and drive becomes much more relaxing. During the monsoon season, this road at its absolute best. The fields on both sides turn into a lush carpet of green, small pond fill up with rainwater, and you will often spot grazing cattle and birds. Every few kilometers, you will want to stop and admire the view. One thing I really like about this route is that it doesn't feel rushed. Unlike busy highways filled with heavy traffic, this route allows to slow down and actually enjoy the journey. Suddenly, we decided to take a short break surrounded by this beautiful greenery. The place was so beautiful that we couldn't resist stopping for a while. And of course, I had to give you a full 360-degree view so you could enjoy the scenery with us. Anandgiri Hills is often called the Lonavala of Telangana, and honestly, I could really feel why. It brought back so many memories of my trip to Lonavala. If you have watched my Lonavala vlog from last year, you will probably notice the similarities too. The lush greenery, the winding roads, and the peaceful vibes felt so familiar that for a moment it reminded me of being back there. If you are riding a bike, carry proper rain gear because the weather can change within minutes. A bright sunny sky can suddenly turn cloudy, followed by a refreshing shower. Because as we continue driving, the roads become narrower in some sections. Most of the route is in good conditions, but during this rainy season, you will occasionally find waterlogged patches and potholes hidden beneath rainwater. So always maintain a safe speed and avoid sudden braking. We are now driving right through the middle of a dense forest and we are almost at Kotapalli Reservoir. As we did this side, we realized we would come from the opposite direction, so we changed our route. Luckily, after driving just a little further, we arrived at our first destination of the day. There are good parking area here which make it quite convenient for visitors. The weather was adding its own charm too. The moment it was drizzling and the next the sun would peek through the clouds. That beautiful mix of rain and sunshine made the whole place feel even more magical. You will find a few food stalls here if you want to grab a quick bite. They serve simple snacks like hot Maggie, crispy fish fry, and freshly made bread toast. There is nothing quite like enjoy warm comfort food while soaking the cool breeze and beautiful views during the monsoon. But by the time we reached there, the sun had come out in full force and it had started to feel quite warm. The weather kept changing throughout the day. Kotapalli Reservoir is one of the hidden gems near Anandgiri Hills in Telangana, surrounded by lush green forest and rolling hills. It's a peaceful place to slow down and enjoy nature. During the monsoon, the reservoir looks especially beautiful with the water level rising and the entire landscape turning a vibrant shade of green. Whether you are on a road trip, looking for a picnic spot, or simply want to spend some quiet time away from the city's hustle, Kotapalli Reservoir is a definitely worth the stop. You can also enjoy kayaking and boating here, which are some of the main attractions at Kotapalli Reservoir. Unfortunately, it was quite crowded when we visited, so we could not try either of them. Even so, spending some time by the water, taking in the beautiful views, and enjoying the peaceful surrounding made the visit completely worthwhile. After spending some time here, we decided it was time to head back. We did not want to get too late for Anandgiri Hills as we still had a long way to go. Before leaving, we grabbed a few quick snacks from one of the local stalls, and the food was simple, fresh, and surprisingly good in quality. Just what we needed before continuing our road trip. The views along the hilly roads during the monsoon are truly something special. Don't you think they have a charm that hard to find any other season? The mist-covered hills, the lush greenery, and winding roads make every moment for a drive feels magical. And just like that, we have finally arrived the Anandgiri Hills, and it was quite crowded, so we had to wait in a long queue before we could find a parking spot. But now we are here. It's finally time to explore this beautiful place. So come along with us. The parking fee here is 100 for a four-wheeler and the trekking fee is 100 per person. Before starting our trek, we took a quick look at the trail map to decide our route. Since we had started a bit late and the weather was getting worse with light rain, we decided to trek only up to zone 2. As far as I know, there are around 7 zones in total where you can enjoy activities like jungle safari and a few other adventure experiences. We thought it would be better to save a rest for another visit and enjoy the trail without rushing. As we finally reached Anandgiri Hills, it's easy to understand why this place is so popular among nature lovers. The cool breeze, the scent of wet soil, and the peaceful surrounding instantly make you forget the noise of the city life. Many visitors come here simply to relax, while others enjoy trekking, photography, or spending quality time with the family or friends. No matter how you choose to spend your day, the atmosphere is incredibly refreshing. Near the entrance, there are a small park-like sitting area where you can relax for a while before or after your trek. The peaceful surrounding make it a nice spot to sit and enjoy the fresh mountain air. There is also a beautiful Lord Mahadeva's temple here, adding a calm and spiritual touch to the place. It's around 5 p.m. now, but the place is still packed with visitors. Because of the crowd, I could not film much of the trekking trail. Carrying and shooting with a camera felt a bit risky on the narrow, uneven paths, so I decided to be a little careful. Even though I could not capture everything on video, I'm trying my best to share all the useful information and my experiences with you throughout this vlog. Just look at the view from Zone 2. Isn't it absolutely breathtaking? By now, you can probably tell that we have climbed quite high. The panoramic views of the lush green hills are truly worth every step of the trip. As evening started to set in, we decided it was time to make our way back down before it got dark. And just before sunset, nature gave us one last beautiful gift. The golden light spreading across the hills and the sky created such a magical moment. It was the perfect ending to an amazing day. If you are planning this road trip to Hyderabad to Anandgiri Hills, here are a few helpful tips for you all. Start early to avoid traffic, check the weather forecast before leaving, wear comfortable shoes if you plan to explore, and keep cash with you as digital payments may not work everywhere. So we are heading back now along the same trail. This is also the path that leads to the temple. Unfortunately, the temple was closed on the day we visited, so we could not go inside and have darshan. So that's all for today. This entire journey reminds us that sometimes we don't need expensive vacations. A few hours on scenic roads surrounded by greenery and fresh air can be enough to refresh both the mind and the soul. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful monsoon road trip from Hyderabad to Anandgiri Hills via Kotapalli Reservoir. If you found this travel guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Until then, drive safely, respect nature, and keep exploring new places. See you in next vlog. Till then, bye bye.